We use this every day, but we never talk about a water bottle. Hello everyone. Today is day 42 of my English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to talk about water bottle. Water bottle is very useful in our day-to-day life. We always carry a water bottle with us for drinking water, and there are too many types of water bottle like plastic water bottles, steel water bottle, and some of the bottles are coming with hot and cold all features. That is in that bottle. If you pour the water, then it will sustain or maintain its temperature. So there are too many types of water bottle. People use the water bottle according to their needs and uses. So water bottle has different shapes also. I have a water bottle with temperature maintaining, which is in by a mental, and I use my water bottle every day, too many times in the day. I carry my water bottles with me always because I have I want to hydrate my body. That's why I keep my bottle with me always. In the night when I'm going to bed for sleeping, I I I took my water bottle and fill in the water and put that water bottle in the side of my bed so that if I got thirsty in the middle of sleeping, then I will take my water bottle and I will drink. And for everyone, we have to use too much water for drinking, like not in excessive manner or not in less manner. We have to use water in a maintained way so that our body always hydrated. And nowadays there is a summer season, so we need to take more waters. So that's why I take my water bottle with me always. And right now my bottle is in front of me, and in that I fill my cold water for drinking when I get thirsty or when I want to drink water. I can use my water bottle routine. So that's it about water bottle. And talking about the practice is many of the people wants to speak English, but they didn't try to speak in English. They feel like if we want to talk in English, we need too much grammar, too much vocabulary, and people makes fun of me. But no one care about these things. If you want to learn English and if you want to improve your English, you just have to start speaking about simple things which you can use daily. Like today I talk about water bottle. Most people use the water bottle everywhere, every day, but we don't talk about on this. So I think I have to choose that topic which is familiar with us. So I take our topic today is water bottle, and let's see for tomorrow what's the topic will come in my mind. I don't have idea right now because when I go when I have to record my video for practice, then I search for my topics. What topic I can speak and record my video, and Now the part is like what words today I learned. So I learned today two words as can as you know, I learn daily two new words for my vocabulary power. So the first word is carry, to take something with you. And the second word is clean. The meaning of clean is not dirty. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video.